Let's keep it pumping. Let's keep it pumping.
Alright.
Hey, y'all know that Cardi B song? Them Balenciagas, the one that look like socks.
Gotta play that. Gotta play that. Alright, so look. This shoe, a lot of people probably heard about it. You've seen it on the internet, but have you seen it in YouTube? On YouTube? On a YouTube foot? No, you have not.
Why? Because Horde and Last Resort are always the first to do it. We are the soldier boy of the community. But I digress.
Alright, so y'all ready to see this?
I think they're ready.
What was he saying?
I don't know what Uzi said, but what Uzi said.
Balenci. No cap.
No evaporate. Now this is a shoe you either like or you don't like. It ain't no in between.
You like or you hate it.
Yeah, what he said, because ain't no in between. Thing to think of, funny shit, some ninja shit. Second thing is his heel. Like you can't miss it. Like you literally can't miss it. You know what I'm saying? Like these are tabbies on 1,000.
On 1,000, for real. That's.
This little piggy went to the market.
No. This little piggy went to Essence.
Okay.
This little piggy went to Dover Street.
Whoa.
This one went to Galleria Steep.
Okay.
This one right here. H. Lorenzo. And this one. The big toe.
The big toe went to Last Resort. That's how he got right.
So, goddamn, this is ingenuity, to be honest. I know.
I like that word.
This is great ingenuity in this shoe. Very light, and this knit is very well knit. Like you can feel that compression. Like your foot will feel like it's your foot. Like it won't feel like it's something that's hanging there. You know, this is a real sock, like a real nice sock.
And they got car parts in this bitch. They put carbon fiber on this.
For real.
Carbon fiber is light and strong.
Carbon fiber is really in this, and Vibram soles. You know, so you can hit up Vibram and they'll replace your soles if you wear them out. You feel me? You know, Vibram and
Vibram does a really good job in making very high quality soles and just like comfortability. Like
real.
Vibrant, like that's why Balenciaga went to Vibrant, because they do it best. I'm not gonna lie there. Everything that I've had from Vibrant has been top notch.
Yes. And you put it sideways right there. So it's the carbon fiber right here, and then the Vibram. And on both of these shoes, they're different. So one shoe has Vibram branding, and the other shoe has Balenciaga branding. Very clean.
It's very subtle because that has yellow, but it's like indented in there.
Yeah.
But it's there.
Yeah. Let me show y'all. Yeah, look at that. They got depth in there for a reason. Look.
You feel me?
Whoa.
It would be crazy if you can remove the heel.
360 little view.
You know?
I think that would just make the shoe like the Yeezy
Scuba?
Yeah, damn near. That would make it like that. Yeah, this shoe is crazy. Oh, and another detail to realize is that a lot of people are probably gonna think like, yo, where does the rubber stop on the toes? And the rubber actually goes over your toenails. So like, if somebody step on your shoe, you got some resistance in there, especially on the big toe. It got great structure on that toe. Yeah, I can't wait to really bust some little crazy little fits in these. You know, wait till y'all see. The picture better go viral. It bets to
go viral. Why? Because he's the first. Because I am on the side that hates the shoe. But I mean, I can understand why it's a thing. I can understand why, because it is like a very interesting shoe. I'm gonna leave that to him. I'm gonna leave that one to